Yeah, just here at one of my crappie spots. Nice little canal system here. It's got a bluegill and a crappie. Bluegill is a little bit small, so I let him go. But nice eater-sized crappie in there. Hope we get a bunch more of those. Let's see how things go here. It's got a slip bobber and a jig, the worm on it. We got a nice little gill here. First catch of the day. Glad to see something's biting at least. Well, I've been fishing about 20 minutes, but he's not a little small. I'd keep him if he was a bit bigger. Beautiful fish. First slab of the day. Not quite a slab, but a good keeper nonetheless. About an 8-incher, 9-incher. Just going in the bucket. There we are. Yeah. Stick around, buddy. Nope. There we are. Oh, buddy. Yeah, that's a nice crappie. Number 2 needs a bit better. Slab. Pretty fish. Fucking nice. In the bucket. Just nailing the slabs. Nailing the slabs. Right close to shore. If I had a buddy to come with me, I might have brought a little boat out, but I don't even know. Last time I was out here with a boat, I watched 2 people just catching them hand over fist from shore. It's like a boat spook, so I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that might be a bass. That's gotta be a bass. That's a real nice crappie, that's a bass. Fucking feisty bass though, if that's a bass. Not in season, but I'll do my best to horse him in, let him go. Yeah, that's a bass. That's a bass. He's gonna have to go. Let's see. This is how fast I want you to get them back in the water when they're not in season. You just, oh boy. Oh buddy. Look a little worse than I'd like it to be. Oh, that's really, okay. Hook's going the other way. Okay, here you go. Bye. I'm pretty shocked I have the spot all to myself. Oh, I figured there'd be nothing biting if there's no one here, because there are a bunch of cars at another creek. They must have been fishing crappie, maybe bullhead. This is just one group of guys, 4 cars, I don't know. That sun's getting hot now. Oh, there we are. Oh yeah, that's a nice crappie. That's a real nice crappie. They just keep getting better. Net, please. Yep. Oh yeah. I think each one's been about an inch bigger than the last one. This is a beauty. Right in the paper mouth. Oh yeah. In the bucket. Ooh, ooh. Somebody grabbed that right when I pulled it up. What do we got here? That bluegill? Little crappie? It's a little bluegill. I'm still not got a chance on the late line. I got them for a reason. Nice little gill. Hey. There we are. It's warming up in the bluegill. They're putting on a bit of a feed now. I want my slabs, man. little guy. I seen him. I seen him already. Another bluegill. Another bluegill. Where are the crappie now? Where did the crappie go? What'd you do with them? What'd you do with them, little guy? Ah, bluegill. He's a little better though than him. I'll let him go.